Hey guys, it's Kevin here at Loan Depot's Team Ferris, and today I'm going to answer the question you've all been asking yourselves. What is a USDA loan? Well, the United States Department of Agriculture, aka USDA, defines this as a rural development loan. So what's considered rural? Well, according to USDA's website, to summarize, rural is a non-metropolitan area, or open countryside, or rural towns with fewer than 2,500 people, or even urban areas with populations from 2,500 to almost 50,000 that are not part of a larger metropolitan area. Now here's some need to knows about this program, and for this illustration, we'll use Mr. Smith. Now the USDA program, number one, it is a no down payment program in most cases. Now number two, there are income restrictions, and let me tell you what I mean. What I mean is household income for anyone over the age of 18 collectively, right? So I'm not talking about the borrower who we're using on the loan and we have to use their income for figuring out debt to income like you would any other loan. What I mean is, let's say for Mr. Smith, if he's applying for the loan and his wife is not, well, for this income calculation, we still have to use her income using a worksheet for both he and her, for everyone over 18, in order to see if we're under these limits. This is specific to each county or area you're buying in. We want to make sure it's USDA eligible. So, for example, even though we're just using Mr. Smith for his qualifying income on the loan application, well, let's say it's a 5-person household, and we'd have to account for each one of those wage earners over 18 in the household. So let's say for this scenario, that total figure for all 5 is $90,000. Let's say they're looking to buy outside of Richmond, Virginia. Well, we check USDA's Guaranteed Housing Program income limit form, and we can see that we're good to go because we're well short of that. We are clear on this particular scenario. Now, one of the other things that we'll check on for USDA loans is the property eligibility map. Now, this is just a simple map where you plug in an address. It's going to tell you if it's USDA land or not. And it'll actually just make it easier because the shaded areas will tell you, okay, it's not. And then if it's not shaded, typically you're good to go. So very simple there. Now, this is a great program for first-time home buyers. Even if you have a USDA loan already, you can refinance it as a USDA loan. If you have an owner-occupied, single family or townhouse or condominium, any of those will qualify for this program. So, hey, just let us know if you have any questions. Drop a comment, like this video, or shoot us a direct message. We'd love to talk a little bit more about that. Now, as Team Ferris, we're collectively licensed in Maryland, DC, Virginia, Georgia, Florida, North Carolina, Texas, Michigan, and Minnesota. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.